Mugasomya mwanche muregerere Ogetembe TV na kikiunga kya mwamugusi ritukura Jumapili kitariki kyanda mwaka na yugwe kiri bubere 2025 no kwegena kwane buno kwabeire gokogokera nabo igo kwasise ni wene merobero yegedini yabeke kogocherembe okyunga chinsa isano na ibere nchenga Catherine Nyabuga Wilfred Matundra mege kamera nabo igo DJ Atsanero agendeta konekya chibiche na marengo kera kirasenchira yobwekera karibu sana ngumanyingana rari abariki baitu bamangana batumanyire korwa imena isiko yorogongora gusi anana mono asense meri ya siasa. Mwanche mwere kionga chinsa isano na ibere nigo umuraibu ensi ya Kenya Moske Daktari William Ruto agikeire chisegi chigendrete kwene kigwa asense meri ya DRC gose Democratic Republic of Congo asebono atebire chingwana inchiganire gatie chinsecho chigendrete korwana asayo ichi chisegi chireye gotiga abantu abange batabwate bomenyo nabo igo amagima yabange asirire.
We join together in order to reiterate our calls to the parties to this tragic conflict to immediately cease hostilities and take positive action. There is also a clandestine international dimension at work, whose persistent, cynical, and destructive effects must neither be underestimated or ignored any longer. For this reason, it is equally clear that such a conflict cannot be resolved through military means. An immediate ceasefire is the only way by which we can create necessary conditions for constructive dialogue and implementation of a comprehensive peace agreement. Such an approach will bring all our assets to bear and minimize the possibility of parallel initiatives that duplicate and undermine progress, including creating unnecessary competition.
Mwanche muregere togoskabosyo nabo igo togotigana nayo nigo bono umurayo mutangani nabo igo umurayo mukoro bwenseri ya Namibia Omoske Sam Nujoma asiria obugimo bwaye mambya rero kabwate emyaka 95 Omoske Sam nigo ageraite enseri ya Namibia ase chintunda isato kuru mwaka bweri mwemo chimikyanda na 90 wiko mwaka wechiri bubere na isano. Togotigana nayo korende twatumire ngora gocha sense yo ya Namibia togoska bosyo nigo bono umurai bwekia makirikia ODM Omoske Raila Amolo Odinga boigo ore umurai munasekia ma asa umubori bwazimio nigo atebire nigari no bore muna nigari no bwekiranuna na chikobwa obo asa obochori bwekiombekere kya AUC obochori bwogokorekana chitariki 15 ne chitariki 14 mu chyomutenyo yoiga gose eikeje iga e weekend ego chakago kwana nigo Moske Raila atebire kako osekerara chikobwekia obochori obo nigo arache konya na kujitoria ensi ya Afrika anana mono kuraso mochando bwobotaka.
Ingawaji tuko na mali lakini sisi ndio tuko mafukara. Hali ya maisha watu wetu katika bara la Afrika iko chini. Tunataka kubadilisha haya ili Afrika iinuke. Na Afrika itajengwa tuna Afrika wenyewe, sio na wageni. Wageni wanakuja katika bara la Afrika kuja kujitajirisha. Wanatafuta mali hapa kwetu. Hawaji hapa kusaidia sisi kwa pande ya maendeleo. Lakini sisi tunataka kusema Afrika kwa Afrika. Africa for Africa. Na hiyo ndio mimi ninasema, ndio sera yangu. Na mimi nitarajia nitaweza kuchaguliwa. Nikichaguliwa ninawaambia kwamba nitafanya vile ninavyotaka. Na vile ninavyoweza. Nikiungana pamoja na viongozi wengine katika bara hii kuania hali ya maisha ya watu.
Bunenchira yamo yoko enekia obokoreri bwaye nabo yokobwatisiwa kurase chinsemo ao imensi ya Kenya litukoria rero omurai bwekiama kirikia Wiper omoske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nabaraibande kurase kiamekyo anene mono omoske Ferdinand Waititu nigo baigora yabisienya yekiamekyo ase county ya Kilifi kaukwana chinka kecho nigo moske Kalonzo amoche omurai bwense ase magendraya anene mono ase omurobiri omoya wokwena nachi basa guchia State University nabo igo umuroberi omoya bobochenu ori osha chinga kechecho nigo omoske Kalonzo abori abantu kurase county ya Kilifi kumubwatu siabo sibo bochori bogo cha bane kibuna nache kosukia Kenya na nache koyotoria ensi ya Kenya.
And we are going now to recommend for office of registrar of political parties. Let political parties have manual registration na hiyo ingine iendelee. Na hiyo natangazia hapa leo kuanzia Kilifi, kujue nyinyi mko katika orodha ya kuleta mageuzi na mabadiliko yenye usawa kabisa Kenya nzima. Kwa hivyo nawapongeze. Akikosa kudunga wanyama, nataka kuwadunga kwa nguvu. Watu wakikataa sema ni Kalonzo, ile mtu wa dengu. Kwa hivyo jamaa wamepatwa na tumbo joto. Na kwa hivyo na bado kama vile Idris amesema, our education sector is a mess. Tukitoka hapa tutasimama Pwani University tusalimie watoto, tuambie ule muundo mpya ati wanaitwa new funding model haiwezekani, imeshindwa. Turudi kwa Higher Education Loans Board ndio watoto wa maskini wa Pwani wapate kusoma mpaka wapate shahada ya degree. Mambo ya matibabu ni aibu tu.
Togotigana nayo nigo omurai bwekiamekyo kia Wiper omoske Stephen Kalonzo maegaye kigambiro kona chabuna ababunge bari kurase obomubori bwazimyo nabo barabange ase bunge nigo bono omoske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka abolire abajumbe kera bakweranira ase egekaro kiabo ekiyeiga wekaranse ase abarai gose ase ensemeri ya barai bare abange ase boigo agokeire getambukirekyo kigambiro.
Spoken to Raila Odinga, I've spoken to Uhuru Kenyatta. On Wednesday, we want our PG, ya Azimio, after you guys have met on Tuesday. Ndio tupange. Na wale ambao walikuwa naimba praises ya Ruto na nini, I'm sure you're feeling rather awkward. And for the love of your country, and for the love of democracy, even the 4 or 5 ODM cabinet secretaries can even resign. Wakiresign, Wandai was a majority leader. Sasa ni waziri wa Kawe. He must be feeling rather awkward.
I'm asking my party audience, don't lose this thing that the High Court of Kenya has said that Azimio is the majority party. Don't leave it, because instead of sitting on the table with whoever is in power, the court is giving you what belongs to you.
Mwanche umurigerere na kero amatuko atigarete atano gose atano nomo erio bochori gose chikura chiri chekiombe kirekia AUC chichigwakwa nigo bono abarai kuruikia makeregia ODM bari ase kanisa ya House of Grace omochoka Kamega anana mono ase kumobeka omoske Raila ase amasaba kuikira boniga bali bakwande nigo basabira abarai na bantu bonsi kobeka omoske Raila ase amasaba na kwena kiabuna na chikobua ase obochori obo pora korekana chitariki 15 na chitariki 14 mo chio mutinyoyo gose eikendi yigatogochi
almost there. Na siku mingi tumekuwa almost there, lakini Mungu atuonekanie as a people of this country and as a family of ODM for the struggle that we have had over the years, because mahali ambayo tumefika, baba amemaliza kazi, ametembea, amezungumza kila mahali, president amempeleka, mahali mengine amefanya yote. Sasa ndio tunasema be still and know that I am God. Sasa tunasema Baba, be still, tujue Mungu ni nani. Na hiyo ndio maombi tumekuwa tukifanya hapa siku ya leo.
Wote ambao wamekuja hapa kwa maombi maalum ya kumwombea kinara wetu Baba Raila Amolo Odinga siku ya Super Saturday. Tarehe 15 mwezi huu itakuwa Super Saturday ambao viongozi wote tutaelekea kule Addis kushuhudia uchaguzi na ushindi wa kinara wetu ambaye ni Raila Amolo Odinga. Mimi nashukuru sana.
Na mwancho murigerera togo chigokora ni gabana igatia barai anane mono korwasekia makerigia Ford Kenya bakora bano mo Senator Bungoma omoske David Wafula batebire una ekiamekyo ni kegendete koba egetungu kabisa na yumurai yobo no moske Moses Masika wetangura se batebire ba osbaburi abantu anane mono korwase county ya Bungoma koba bwatese abosi bogochore bogo chasba boigo barire na gotebuna tibali go chigwataneneka korwase kiamekyo.
Kenya will not go anywhere under the sun. Ford Kenya is our heritage. Ford Kenya is our origin. Ford Kenya is the oasis of democracy in this country. And if anyone will ever imagine that Ford Kenya will fold, they will begin by folding themselves before Ford Kenya folds. So on behalf of Ford Kenya, on behalf of the people of the Republic of Kenya, and the four founders of democracy in this country, Ford Kenya is there, and the party leader is none other than Daktari Moses Masika Wetangula.
Sasa Ford Kenya hii ndio chama ambayo imekuwa the second oldest. Na haiendi popote kwa sababu atiasiana kwa kura ikiisha hakuna. Iko hapa tutakuwa tu. Siasa ile ya national kubwa itakuwa Western Kenya. This is going to be the theater of the politics. So lazima pia tujipange. And I'm now talking as a deputy party leader of Ford Kenya. Yes. Paka tujipange. Lakini kama Western wacha tushikane. So that we go on the negotiating table as one team. When we go as one team, we shall be respected and we shall be listened to. This is where we are going to, this is going to be the theater. And if we are united, we are going to have a bigger stake up on them. We are going to have a bigger stake where we are.
Mwancho morigereria gwikiraga bunongo chigwikire umwere bwekionga chinsa isano na ibira senchira yo wenye kore ningote ngato skare ayomona yanda mange ninchi ukayaretera aso wenye chigwika chinsa ikomi nchenka tereni nyaboga maiga yechi kamere torengenere Wilfred Matunda DJ Atsanera obeire ka koenekia bunachiri bichana merengo ikirachira senchira yo wekran tomerane chigwika chinsa chikomi.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuja bwatuka